She has arrived.
Videos without our consent.
I'm a governor.
Your birth and then you take our pictures and videos to panic, to make our parents panic, isn't it? You want to see us in this. You want to see a 26-year-old lawyer in this. Because she said, stop Galamsey. That's our only crime. Stop Galamsey.
For the families who will be wondering the whereabouts of their relatives, 40 of them have been arraigned before 2 circuit courts here in Accra. And in respect of Circuit Court 6, a total of 31 have been arraigned on charges including conspiracy, unlawful assembly, causing unlawful damage, called offensive conduct to the breach of peace, and of course, assault on public officer and defacing of public notices. They have pleaded not guilty to all the counts, but unfortunately for them, they have been remanded. If you look at the 3 sets that appeared before His Honor, Mr. Convener Ubri Yebua, all of them have been remanded. 19 of them have been remanded into police custody. 12 out of the 12, one person has been a subject matter of a bench warrant. The remaining 11 have been remanded into prison's custody. In relation to Circuit Court 10, 9 of them, including Ama Governor, have been remanded into police custody. So in total, out of the 40 who were on the charge sheets put before the court, 39 of them have been remanded into lawful custody, with one person being a subject matter of bench warrant. But what has counsel of the accused person been saying is that, look, they are going up to appeal against the decision of the court not to grant the accused person's bail.
We are going to appeal against it at the Human Rights Court, and we are sure that within some days we will have them released. So we are given limited time to have conference with our clients. So I'm sure with this, knowing where exactly they are right now, we are going to get their instructions and repeat the application again. And we are not satisfied because the main person why I'm here is Felicity Nelson, and she has not been brought to the court. So we have to look for where exactly she is, and I'm sure at the coming days, if we can't find her, we will bring habeas corpus application at the court to get her to be brought to the court. All of them have been remanded, and the plea of 19 of them has been taken, and 12 of them, their plea have been deferred to the next agenda date, because we raised the concern that they have not been served with the charge sheet. They only surprised us with the charge sheet at the courtroom. So we raised the same point, and the judge agreed with us and adjourned the matter for their plea to be taken. We are only disappointed at the number of days that they have been remanded, and some remanded into prison custody, which is clearly not befitting of people who are protesting for Galamsey. So we are going to apply for the proceedings of today and appeal against him.
But there has been some reaction from the relative of some of the accused persons who were arraigned.
From the National Police Headquarters, he told me that my sister wasn't fine and so we should come to check up on her as a family. I got to the National Police Headquarters gate and I was denied access to her. I called the number for several times. The number is here. I checked mobile money. The name came Kennedy or something. We called for several times. There was this policewoman at the gate. The name was GHOne. I spoke to her. I told her that, look, I just received a call from this number that my sister, who is diabetic and asthmatic and is battling glaucoma, is here. I am told she is not fine. We want to check up on her. The woman took the number. She also called for several times, but that number didn't answer until I heard that they were being brought to court.
Just took their camera from their car and they stood outside to snap, and then you took all of them there, and it cannot be. It cannot be. They are not parts. Look at their dresses. You should see from their dresses that those people are not parts. You should differentiate it. You should know how to calculate this. If nobody is talking, God in heaven will answer in Ghana.
You cannot eat any food because cyanide has gone into the soil. And this is what these young people are fighting about. And Mother Ghana, only God and posterity will judge everyone involved in this. What is their crime? Their crime is trying to protect our very nature, our country called Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah's Ghana. And this is where we are. They are the criminals. The criminals are continuing with their jobs. And our sons are the criminals. God save Mother Ghana.
Well, the presence of the police was heavily felt as each of the sets of the accused persons were being brought. Look at this scene.
Ghanaian citizen, we've not done anything. I was just arrested on the street. I did nothing. What are you doing to me, bro? I did nothing. They broke my hand. They slapped me. They broke my hand. They slapped me.
Okay.
I know they put out for the go. Whatever I'll do. Police, come and get them.
Are you alleged that the police slapped you?
I know the police. I know the police. Yes. You gave me the same charges. Don't charge you people. On a go die one by one. On a go die one by one. Today is my 10th day of dry fasting. You took me to a doctor. I've not eaten since that Sunday to date.
So that is I'm a governor. And your shorts there.
I want to go, so they grant us bill. 48 hours. Not in a lawyer. 48 hours. No food, no water. 48 hours. Over 48 hours. No clothes. Over 48 hours. Y'all should be proud.
Until such time that the higher court decided otherwise, these accused persons will be in lawful custody until October 8th, when they make their appearance back in court. From the circuit court here in Accra, Murtala Inusah, GHOne.
Come and fight us. No matter what, history will remember this day that we kept quiet and watch us who are talking for the change. President and treats us to be citizens. We are being citizens. We are just being citizens.